So, hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 24th of Feb till the 2nd of March. The roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You will find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below. It's life changing. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. You can literally trust me on that. Okay, let me see. Leo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what's happening. You have the Knight of Cups. So somebody here is feeling like they should come forward towards you with some kind of message, communication, or some kind of apology here in the situation. Or this could be somebody who feels like they should come forward towards you with some kind of resolution. Okay, peaceful resolution, solution. Let me clarify the Knight of Cups. Somebody here is feeling like coming forward towards you with some kind of heartfelt message, communication, apology. Let me clarify. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Four of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups. Yeah, someone who is holding on to this idea of being with you and doing nothing about it. They feel like putting in the effort and energy and coming forward towards you and opening up to you emotionally. So it's taking them a lot of courage and strength, but they feel like doing it eventually. Okay, somebody who is holding on to you very tightly, like, okay, Leo, like my dream partner, my dream person. And they are not opening up to you, but they feel like now they should. Okay, let's see what they're gonna do. Like, anyways, let's see from your side, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? We have the Ten of Cups. So from your side, you feel like having somebody by your side who is going to give you this happily ever after kind of a deal, who is going to be there for you for the long term. For some of you, you feel like giving your marriage or commitment another shot, another chance. If you had a fallout with somebody that you were married or committed to, okay, especially if you guys have kids. We have the Four of Wands, the Knight of Swords, the Queen of Swords. See, you feel like talking to somebody with all of the clarity, with all of the truthfulness, honesty, and loyalty regarding some kind of commitment or marriage. Yeah. So you feel like you should talk to somebody in a very honest way regarding marriage, commitment, long term partnership, or a happily ever after kind of a deal. If they are not giving you what you want, or if they are not ready, you are ready to cut this person's ass out of your life completely. You're like, goodbye. You don't even want to think about it twice. Okay. So what do you, Leo wants what they want. They just don't want to compromise in any way. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? Ace of Cups. See, their intention is to open up to you emotionally. They want to be vulnerable in front of you. They want to definitely express something to you regarding something. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Cups. We have the Ten of Cups and the Nine of Wands, the King of Cups. What is happening here is that this person might not be able to give you the kind of commitment that you want from them, but they want to express their feelings to you, that they want it with you but not right now maybe, and for some reason that is very valid according to them, they can't be with you for the long term, or they can't marry you, or they can't give you commitment, or they can't have this happily ever after kind of a deal, at least for the timing. So they definitely want to be vulnerable in front of you. They want to give you all the reasons, all the valid reasons about what is the problem between you and them regarding commitment, regarding long term partnership, regarding marriage. So they want to open up their heart to you big time. King of Cups, Ten of Cups, Ace of Cups, Knight of Cups, Nine of Cups. These are all emotional cards of being expressive, of telling somebody how much they love you, how much you mean to them, that kind of energy. So they just this person wants to talk to you about commitment, about what's the problem, about what can be done, and what can happen in the coming future regarding this situation. Okay, somebody wants to talk to you about this. So one of you might be asking for commitment, the other person is not able to give that even if they want to for some reason. So that's why they want to talk to you about that, like, openly and honestly with all of their heart and soul, without using their mind. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Hierophant. So from your side, you just want to remain connected to your higher self. You just want to remain connected to, somehow I'm getting this energy of culture background. You just want to be with somebody who is going to understand your cultural background, your ethics, and your energy of wanting commitment. Okay, let's clarify the Hierophant. So basically, you want to be with somebody who wants to be with you the way you want them to be with you. My God, difficult. We have the Eight of Cups and the Five of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. So Leo, typical energy of I want what I want, nothing less than that. I want what I want. You want commitment, you want long-term partnership, you want marriage, you want something solid, and or you are ready to let it go completely. You don't want to repeat the same cycle in your life again and again and again because you're done. Okay, so Leo wants what Leo wants. No compromise, nothing less than that at all. Okay, got it, honey. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the, but we have 2nd of March. Yeah, Leo. We have the Queen of Pentacles, this energy of sitting in your own power, doing your own thing, doing your own thing, being very mature, grounded, and stable in your own life. Let's clarify the Queen of Pentacles. We have the King of Swords, the High Priestess, the Chariot. Yeah, you're going to be suspicious by somebody's actions, by somebody's energies towards you, and you are going to say goodbye to them, and you are going to be in this energy of moving on, letting go of something or someone without even telling them that you are letting them go. Yeah. So the moment you are going to realize you are not getting the kind of stability, the kind of long-term partnership, the kind of happiness that you want, you are letting go, you are cutting somebody's energies out of your life without even telling them, and you're moving ahead because you're done with this crap. You're like, goodbye. It's a goodbye from your side. For most of you, even without telling them, because you kind of told them so many times, and you're done. You're like, goodbye. Enough. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys. We have the Seven of Swords. Okay. I think don't leave this person up in the air. Be very, very clear and honest with them. If they are the one who is kind of leaving you up in the air all the time, try to confront them. Try to sort it out with them. Try to get the proper clarity, 1000% clarity before doing something about the situation. And once you get the clarity, once you are very honest with yourself, and the other energies also are honest with you, basically both of you are honest with each other, then you guys can decide to let it go or come back together or whatever you feel like, right? But don't leave hanging, like leave the situation hanging on the wall from your side or maybe from their side. Just sort it out and get the proper clarity, get the proper answers, and then do whatever you think is right for you in this situation from both the sides. Yeah, cool. So thank you so much for joining in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.